Good morning, my lovely little ones. I'm sure all of you are doing good. I am Jennifer ma'am. Today, I'm here to teach you a new topic in numeracy. Now children, tell me, what do you see in these bowls? Yes, there are spoons. Here there are spoons. Here there are spoons. But how many spoons do I have in total? For that, I need to count. I need to add. I need to add all these spoons to get the total. Now let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see how many spoons we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally we have 6 spoons. So here we have 6 spoons and here we have 6 spoons. Both the sides are equal. One more example, children. Here there are fingers and here there are fingers. So how many fingers in total? For that, I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total there are 4 fingers. So this is what we are going to learn today. Addition. Addition. Addition sign is written with a plus. So children, now that you have understood addition with spoons and fingers, let us do addition in the classwork book with pictures and numbers. Children, please open your classwork book to page 102. 102. We shall begin by writing today's date. 1 dash 2 dash 2 1 21. Addition. Children, can you see the sign? This is plus, which means to add. This is equal to, means the number should be same both sides. So we now are going to add by cutting each object. Children, always remember, whenever you cut an object, you have to say a number and stop. Then cut the next object. So, watch me, children. What are these? These are faces. So, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 faces. Now, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the total is correct. We have 6 here and we have 6 here. Add and draw total number of objects. What are these? Yes, these are flowers. So, let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have to draw 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 flowers here and 8 flowers here. Next, we have pouches. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 pouches. So let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what are these? Can you tell me? Yes, they are fishes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we shall draw 7 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are these? These are drops. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we shall draw how many drops? Yes, 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's count the drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, I hope you have understood what addition is all about. Now, let's do another exercise. Children, please open your classwork book to page number 105. 105. Let's begin with writing the date. 1 dash 2 dash 2 1 21. Addition. Draw objects and add. So here we have to draw the objects as per the number given, then count the total objects and write the number below. The first sum, 2
plus 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, 4 plus 3. So we'll draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we'll write 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 5. Let's draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 5. So first we'll draw 2 balls and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 7. So here we draw 1 ball and here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 8. Here 1 ball and here 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. Let's solve the next sum. 1 plus 4. 1 ball and here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 2. Here we have 1 ball and here 2 balls. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3.
So children, I hope you have understood what it means to add or addition. It is the same thing. So, I would like you to practice the same addition sums in your homework book on pages 62 and 63. Bye children. Be good and keep practicing.